I wanted to build this game called Wild Bees, and I was able to do it with Replit AI. You can find it at replit.com. And it was just incredible. So you can see here, this is a preview of the game, and I'll put in the comments area the link to the game if you want to play it. But I was just so blown away with how easy it was that I wanted to show you how I did it. So I went to replit.com, I created an account, and basically I wanted to create a version of the New York Times spelling bee game, if you're familiar with that. I love playing that game, but I've always thought that if you could choose an additional letter or choose one of the letters, that would add some strategy so that you could compete against other people. So I did that. So I just basically came here, I started this new project. I put in this first prompt where I said I wanted to create this game, wanted to let people have 7 letters in total, but they would pick that 7th letter, hence the word wild. The 7th letter would be wild for wild bees. And I just gave this instruction to the AI agent in English and asked it if it would build this game. And I have to say, it went through this whole thing. It has this incredible UI that as it was working, it was telling me what it was doing. And then it also, once the game came together, it set it up here. It's refreshing now to preview. So I could play with it here and test it. I could interact with it and tell it what issues I had. So for example, I said, let's make some following enhancements. Let's allow players to use the letters more than once. Let's have the user see the initial 6 letters first and then give them 10 seconds to add their 7th wild letter. So, once I started playing with it, I realized that there were certain things that I didn't specify that I needed to specify. It was super easy to do that. Whenever I gave them feedback, gave the agent feedback, it, within a matter of minutes, if not seconds, it would refresh it and I could try it again. I should also say that I gave this agent very little in terms of instructions for how to do it. And it came up with ideas such as putting the instruction screen together. At the end of the game, it has a leaderboard where you can put in your name for the leaderboard. Later, I realized I needed to make sure the user wasn't able to put in profanity or other unacceptable words, and I was able to have them create that safety feature as well. And then with a click of a button, I was able to deploy. This button used to say here, deploy. Now it says redeploy. I've made some edits and I need to redeploy it. As you can see, it even came up with this cute little bee icon. I had it add some animations at the end too with the bee, which you'll see. So again, take a look at this game, but more importantly, check out replit.com. The AI agent is absolutely incredible, and it works for people that have no coding experience in this example, or very little coding experience. You don't have to have your own development environment on your computer. You can do everything through the browser. So check it out and play the game and spread the word. Thanks.